Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the BOOKR Classroom app in a school environment or online. With the BOOKR Classroom app, you have all the functions of the mobile app on your computer. You can project it in class, at school, or use as a remote teaching tool. Students can also access this platform with their student code. If you don't have the BOOKR Classroom app installed on your computer yet, go to bookrclass.com/download-app webpage. Scroll down to BOOKR Classroom app and click Download on Desktop. Select the online application store from which you'd like to download the app and wait for the platform to open. Download and install the app to your computer. When teaching with BOOKR Classroom in school, the first thing to do is to launch the app on your computer and log in with your email address and password. These are the same details you use for the teacher's dashboard and mobile application. If you are not sure what your password is, click Forgot Password and you'll receive an email with instructions to reset it. A few seconds later, you arrive at the library view, which looks exactly the same as in the mobile application. Next, connect the projector or external screen to your computer. When you are sure students can see your screen, open a book and start reading. If you are teaching online, all you need to do is open the video call platform and share your screen. When the BOOKR Classroom app is running, your students will see the content via your screen share.